Yeah. And I mean it.
So right now on the line, Mr. Josh Blackburn. He's with us out of Newton, Wisconsin. Calls this tractor extremely hard and dangerous. Boy, a nice strong hook coming out of the gate, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we go. Rutting deer 2. Brandon Block. Brandon Block. Right there. Here we go. Josh Blackburn, considered armed and dangerous, heavy duty. You talk about making a statement, folks. Fans, you'll notice at each end of the track, on these Bobcat skid steers, we got a conditioner out there. It's actually churning the dirt, filling the holes in, triple bypass.
Stop or you're not doing no right. I mean it. I mean my one time.
Lord sakes, I'll tell you what, man. Colin Ross does not care who the points leader is. Does not care who's out front. He says, we come to play. Redone this tractor, gave it an overhaul, and I'll tell you what, man. You talk about picking them up and putting them down. That's got to be one of the straightest, prettiest runs we've seen in quite a while. He picked that front end up and carried it about 12 inches, 18 inches off the ground, and transferred all that weight to their rear 2 tires. Made a beautiful pass. He needed to get past 328 and 2. Colin just drug the sled 342 and 4. We have a new leader. All right, fans, here we go. Mr. Jeffers on the running bear. And a nice strong pass laid down by Jeff. You'll notice, fans, he started just to the right of center. Nice pass by the John Deere folks. Gonna come up and take short for the #1 spot, but still a respectable run for that John Deere 7720, the Rutten Deere. Again, this is your points leader right now, this tractor. And your points leader got a 30-point lead right now. long pass laid down by the cutting up mini rod. Why Bruce said show no mercy. The question is, can he let that bring him to the left, or is he going to stay to the right? We're about to find out. Dustin Price on to make a bid. Right there in the mix of things. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to point something out to you. When you heard that mini rock coming down the track, once about the 220 foot mark, again out here about the 270 foot mark, you heard those RPMs come up. That mini rock got curved up and got on those wheelie bars. Can you imagine the pass he would have had if they had just a little more weight out front and didn't get them wheelie bars to take the load off the back of that mini rod? He had it on a rail. You can see the path he took from right to left. Call that cross tracking. Did a nice job of driving, just got a little bit light on the nose. And his distance light's going to put him in the number 3 spot right now. All right, fans, here we go. Have no mercy, Bruce Small.
Oh, Scott.
That is not what he was hoping to happen right there, folks. Pretty obvious, I know. Well, a hired gun getting her done tonight, man. Right out there in the mix of things, awful close to that Lucas Oil leader bike down there. You can see the white sign over here on the left-hand side. That is our leader distance marker. Towards the awful close to that loud and mini.
Speeds that they're turning out here are really close to 140 miles an hour. So that's how fast those rear wheels are turning to get those tires to sink down into the dirt.
Now, fans, did you notice when Jeff was coming down the track, almost every driver just sat back in the seat, grabbing his own toes, Jeff's so excited, he's leaning forward, looking down the track, holding that throttle wide open. All about what he can get out of the vehicle and doing a nice job. I tell you, nice pass laid down by Jeff Hart.
My poor ears.
Jeff just threw himself into the number 3 spot.